In this video, I will show you how to create simple shoe art poster design using Canva just with your smartphone. However, for effective clarity, I will want to slant my phone horizontally. In order to create shoe art poster designs in Canva, you come to search your content, click on it. Then you search for Instagram. Then you select Instagram post square 1080 by 1080 pixel. Then you choose it. There are thousands of templates here that are free and we're having pro. You can choose any of your choice and make customization to anyone you prefer. But in this case, click on the blank one in order to design your work from the scratch. The first thing is to add background to your design. Therefore, click on the page. Then you click on the color at the bottom here. Then you choose any color. Then click on pink. Then come to the color palette here. Then you click on it. Then you can now work on this. This is okay. Then the next thing, you click on elements to select any of your choice as regards the shoe. But in this case, you click on upload. You select any of the shoe you want to make use of. If you observe this very well, you can see that the background of the shoe has been removed. Therefore, you can remove the background of your photo on any background remover app. Then click on this to have it here. Then the next thing, you come to the bottom here, click on elements. You come to where we're having shapes, then click on the circle. Then bring it here. The shoe, bring the shoe to this side. Then increase the size of the circle. Okay, it is good this way. Then fix it somewhere here. Then you change the color of this very particular circle. Then you click on color at the bottom here. You select pink. Then you come to the color palette here, click on it. Okay, this is okay. Then click on duplicate icon here to duplicate the circle. Click on it. Then bring it here. The next thing, click on the color at the bottom here. Then change it to white. The next thing, come to the layers here at the bottom. In order to allow the white circle to appear underneath the first one, which is the pink one, then click on layers. Then take the white, fix it here. So this is it. Then you can now shift it inwardly. Okay, this is okay. The next thing, click on the shoe. Then bring it here. The next thing, go to the layers. Click on it. Then bring the shoe here in order to allow it to appear there. Now this is it. Then the next thing, you rotate your shoe this way. Then increase it by dragging it. The size of the shoe. Click on T. Click on add a heading. Then type free delivery. Then click on color here where we're having capital letter A. Then choose white. Then click on this, duplicate, fix it here. Then click on it to change it to $200. Okay. Then fix it somewhere here. Then the money, change the color. Then click on the color here. Then click on this arrow that faces up. Then you can now choose this. Okay. The next thing, you come to the elements, click on elements. From the shape here, click on this square. Change the color of the square to white. Then fix it somewhere here. Then click on this again, duplicate, fix it here. Then click on edit. Then we have 20% discount. Okay. Then you come to the bottom here where we're having spacing. Click on it. Then the line spacing, decrease it. Okay, it's okay this way. Then the next thing, you will need to reduce the size. Then fix it somewhere here. Then the shoe. This 20% discount, they change the font type. Click on font at the bottom here. Then click on the arrow that faces up in order to have all the fonts. Click on leaks pattern. Then free delivery, click on it. Click on font in order to change the font. Then click on the arrow that faces up here. Click on the Canva one. The free delivery, you come to the bottom here, click on effects. You click on shape. Click on curve. Then you click on it again. Then bring it this way to the left in order to decrease it. Then fix it somewhere here. It's okay this way. Decrease it a little bit. Then the font size, you try to reduce it to 60. Okay. Then the shoe, you rotate it this way. The next thing, you click on element at the bottom here. Then you scroll to look for frame. Click on this very particular one, the square. Then bring it this side. Then you come to the upload here, click on it. Then this very particular picture, click on it. Then try to insert it in it. Come to the element here, click on it. Then click on this very particular shape, click on square. Then fix it here. The next thing, then come to the position here, click on position, then to back. The next thing, click on this, the outer shape, click on the three dotted line here, click on select multiple, click on the inner one, then group it together. You have grouped it together. The next thing, click on the three dotted line here at the upper side. Click on duplicate, fix it somewhere here, and click on duplicate. That's all. The next thing, click on upload at the bottom here. Click on this picture. Then try to fix it here. Okay. Then next thing, click on 20% discount. Then click on duplicate, bring it here. Click on edit, then type order now. Let it be in capital letter. Order now. Then come to the bottom here, click on spacing. Then do it this way. Okay. Then this, increase the font size. 40 is okay. Then order now. Change the color to brown. Then come here. Click on the arrow that faces up. Then choose this. Then the next thing, you come to the effect here. Then look for outline. Double click on it. Then the thickness, fix it for 200. Then click on the color here. Then fix it for white. This is okay. When you are done, then you click on the download icon at the upper side there in order to download your design. Then the next thing, click on download and choose your PNG files in order to download your design. This is how to create a simple show art poster design using Canva. If you have found this video very useful, please kindly subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, share the video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.